this video, you will learn how to export a terrain model to a 3D printer. First, let us switch to an empty drawing file. When starting the Slice Geometry command, we can define an interval which determines the height of the different layers. When selecting the geometry object, the computation starts. The layers were created on the active drawing file, which means we can hide the original geometry object. To export the drawing file, use Allplans Export STL Data function. Define the name of your file. We chose the binary format for our example. After confirming the settings, the export is started.